All right, so today we are going to be cleaning my all AMD build PC here. This is the case that you're looking at. It is the 4000D Airflow, and what you're going to need obviously is your dirty PC. You're going to need some compressed air. Just put that over there. Next, you're going to need some Q-tips if you have like dust that is really stuck on your fans. That's good. Next, you're going to need a nice microfiber towel. And last thing you'll need is some nice isopropyl alcohol. The higher the percentage, the better. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at our PC. Now, I built this PC back in December 2023. It is now, today is the, I believe it is the, hold on, June 29th. Yes, it is June 29th, 2024. So it's been 6 months since I cleaned this thing. Let's see how this goes. All right, so we're gonna remove the front plate here just to get an idea. Oh, as you can tell, I only have one fan in the front, so that looks kind of dusty. So looking at this here, this doesn't look too bad. I can easily clean that. Now let's get this screen here taken out. And now you can get an idea of how much dust is on that bad boy. And as you can see here, I only have the one fan right here. Maybe I'll make a video later in the near future putting in some more fans, but right now one fan is plenty for this build. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. Now obviously you will want to go ahead and do this on the outside, but currently it's raining and I don't want to give my PC a nice car wash, or I guess a PC wash. So I guess I'm stuck doing it indoors. So all you really have to do is get your compressed air. Don't shake it. Let's see the best way to capture this. And all you got to do is just spray up. Oh, that's right. I got to take this part off. Hold on. So now that that part is taken off at the top, all you got to do is just hold it straight. And let's see the best angle to do this. Okay, nice short burst. So I didn't remove everything, so I'll just give it a couple more sprays. Alright, so that is still stuck on there. Alright, so that's how much it took off, not a whole lot. So let's go ahead and use the microfiber towel with the isopropyl alcohol and see if that helps. All right, so now I got my isopropyl alcohol, got my microfiber towel. Let's go ahead and just dip that in there a little bit. And now let's do some wiping. Oh, that just went so much easier. Should have done that in the first place. So that looks clean. Oh, that is perfect. I didn't even need to buy the compressed air. Felt like it was a waste of money. All right, there you go, brand new. Fresh out the computer store here, nice and clean. Let's go ahead and put that down. Since I'm here, might as well wipe off this front plate here. Get that nice and clean. All right. All right, so see, cleaning your computer is not that hard. So got those two parts. Those two parts are all done. Now let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see how this fan is looking. Okay, doesn't look too bad. So obviously you can use the same microfiber towel here and just wipe along the edges, so to speak. If you have, like, you know, dirt that is completely caked on your fence, this is where you go ahead and use the Q-tip Q-tip right here. Got the nice little alcohol. Dip that in there. Got that bad boy there, and then you just kind of go around. So just hold that fan in place, and then you can kind of wipe around. Hopefully this is coming out better. Let me just zoom out a little bit. There we go. And then you can just kind of go around to really get that dirt off there. Just like so. So I'll go ahead and do all the other blades of the fan. All right, now that the front fan is all clean, obviously with these cases right at the top, you have this little mesh protector, I guess, or another lint protector. Go ahead and do the same thing. You can wipe it off. This one's not too dusty. You can either go ahead and use the compressed air, or you can just go ahead and use the microfiber towel like I have right here, which isn't too bad. All right, so that part's clean. So we got the fan clean, we got the front plate finished, and the two screens or lint protectors, whatever you want to call them, they are all done. So now let me just go ahead and turn around the case, open it up, and let's do some more cleaning. All right, now that we have the side panel already off, we can go ahead and peer closely into our PC. Let me just get it a little bit closer and we'll focus kind of at the top, and we're gonna target this top fan here. So we can go ahead and we can take our compressed air. I'm gonna point it a couple inches away from the fan. We're gonna hold the fan blade and just give it a few bursts here. So that is pretty much done. That one wasn't too dirty, which is good. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for our front fan here. So just go ahead and hold the fan blade. That's pretty good. Now let me just back up a little bit. And now I'm gonna take care of this bottom part here. So I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up. You can kind of see like there's dust everywhere. I guess if you want to wear a mask, you can do it. Give it a few more spritz here. So overall, like, this computer is not as dusty as I thought it would be, which is crazy. And let me just go ahead and get some more isopropyl alcohol here. And I'm just gonna wipe right at the bottom. So overall, this one hasn't been too bad, which is really good. Let me just point this guy up. Okay, that one's not too dusty. Just take the same microfiber towel and just wipe off the top. Just get around the whole front here. Turn this guy around for you. So then just continue wiping along here. So yeah, I guess it's not too difficult to clean your PC. Keep it nice and clean. Keep it operating in, tip-top shape. This looks much better now. So that looks much better. All right, go ahead and pause it. I think I'm just missing one more part, so let's go ahead and check that out. So on this particular model, the Corsair 4000D, you'll have this little removable tray as well for your PSU. That one seems pretty good, so I don't really need anything in this one. Seems pretty clean, so you can use the compressed air if you want, but I prefer just to use the microfiber towel with the isopropyl alcohol. So just give that nice little clean there, nice wipe down, slide that back in, and we're ready to flip this guy back up, reassemble everything, and we're good to go. All right, so let's get this slide back on here, if I can get this lined up properly. Nope, that's not working. Hold on. All right, there we go. We got that back on. A little bit more isopropyl alcohol. Give the nice little, I guess this is tempered glass. I think that's what it is. Nice little wipe. So that is looking good. Looking nice and clean. Let's go ahead and point this back up. Take my little mesh protector for the top. I can't see. Right, there we go. Just basically put that back on, slide that back in place. Give it one more good wipe. And that is good. Now turn this guy to the front. Gonna put back in our nice little lint or protector or whatever you want to call it. Get that back in there. And then I just put my nice little front plate back on. Let's see, line these two at the top. It's usually easier than clip this in. And that is it. So that is how you clean your PC. Nice and clean. It's like fresh out the computer store. So that's how you do it. Hopefully it wasn't too complicated. And that's all there is to it.